Hey, Matt Crandall here with 911R, and this is my 1997 993 twin turbo. I bought this car about 2.5 years ago. It came in, be a car that they wanted to have us get ready to sell. So I ended up working out a deal and buying the car from the client. At that point, we took it and stripped it all the way down and built my 993 Turbo Dream project, which is pull the engine out and build it with a 3.8 and upgrade turbo stuff. So the engine was out. It was completely rebuilt all the way down to the crank, upgraded ARP bolts and bearings and all the internals stuff upgraded. It has Molly Motorsports 3.8 pistons and cylinders on it with resist fire rings in the heads. That way, in case they won't lift and won't burn out. You know, this thing was really built to be great power, but also ultra conservative and for long-term reliability, and make it just really strong and not have to worry about it. So the turbos were upgraded, the injectors were upgraded, the ECU was custom tuned with TurboCraft and Protomotive. It was just all fully assembled. Upgraded cams. You know, 993s have hydraulic lifters in them, so there's no valve adjustment. The cams had to be modified for hydraulic lifters. There was just a lot of stuff. All the machine was done at Ross Sport for the cases, the heads, the cylinders, the camshafts. All that was done at Ross Sport. That's the engine. The transmission, you know, these cars were all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive is great for everyday driving if you're not super spirited in my mind, but rear-wheel drive, as a racer as I am, I really like to be able to control the car and have that, you know, that lightness and, you know, real race car or, you know, GT car experience. You know, somebody actually, you know, mentioned, build your own GT car. This is kind of what I did. So we took all the all-wheel drive system out, which saved about 200 pounds just in that. We modified the transmission. So it's all Porsche. It looks like it just would be if it's a C2 car. It has, in the front, it has RSR uprights, which really affect how the car turns in, makes it much more of a modern geometry. And so it just really handles great. And here's Stevie. So the turn-in handle is much better. It's all been fully balanced and corner weighted and really set up that way. I had ordered several years ago the BBS E88s, which are hard to get and took a long time to get those. So it has brand new E88s all the way around, Michelin Pilot Sports. The brakes calipers were sent out to P&B and they were fully restored and recoated. All the brake components, rotors, calipers, you know, the pads, obviously, it's all new. Brake lines, that's all perfect as well. On the exterior, the car was fully taken apart and we repainted the car. Then what was done, the car was completely PPF wrapped and ceramic coated. In fact, it has a windshield shield on it as well. Down here in Arizona, it's really easy to get rock chips. All the seals have been replaced on the car, sunroof seals, door seals, windshield seals, all that stuff's all been redone. The car's got ceramic window tint in it as well. Again, being down here in Arizona and being a black car, it really, you know, does make a big difference and help. On the interior, you know, again, you know, being a racer, I like things light and real purposeful. And my goal was to get as much weight out of this car as we could. We replaced the seats with the CS Sportster Nurburgring seats from Recaro. They're a heated seat. They're very comfortable. They're super just nice and lightweight and well built. They've been fitted 993. So, you know, I'm 6 foot, 200 some pounds, and I don't have any problems. It's really very comfortable. GT3 996 leather steering wheel. It's all been reconditioned. Leather RS door cards, custom suede poles here that my buddy built for it. The stereo system has the Porsche Classic stereo. Then we put a small amplifier and I believe it's Hertz speakers all the way around front and rear. Really nicely done by the guys who were at Car Toys. But yeah, everything on this car has just really been touched and finalized. I've had it to a bunch of shows. People love it. Other nice things on it, we got the Tech Art front brakes, ducts, and fog lights, the Turbo S style lower front spoiler on it. And we also, you know, 3 turbos also had those really big, ugly bumperette things on it. That's all been removed and redone. You know, lots and lots of small touches on this car. Lots of time, a lot of money has been put into it. And, you know, somebody's going to have just the ultimate 993. And, you know, my dream. We build several project cars every year. And, you know, I usually do one every couple of years. And here's a chance to get my last one. So any questions, please hit us up. I'm happy to work out shipping quotes or talk more in depth about the car, and hope you guys enjoy as much as I do. Thank you.